If I had to start streaming all over again, 0 followers, 0 viewers, not even the same channel. Like if some catastrophic event had deleted everything I had ever done from history, but I would still know what I know today, I'd start by... Welcome back to Content Delta. If you don't know me, my name is Barry Epps. I'm a Twitch partner and mathematician gone content creator looking to help 10,000 content creators go full time. Over the past 2 months, I have implemented a change in my content strategy that doubled my viewership from around 80 to over 150 average. And the funny thing, it was so simple, I think anyone can do this, even as a completely new streamer. And as a little bonus at the end, I'm going to show you how I'm going to optimize my content strategy even further into the next year and why I think that is going to be the biggest game changer for my channel. The first and probably the most important thing you are going to have to do is decide on what kind of content you want to make. Think of it like playing a new video game. You're super excited, you quickly install the game and get it working. You choose your character and start playing only to get killed by the first enemy you encounter. So you go ahead, you respawn, and maybe you get a little bit better, you gain a few levels, but before you know it, you realize, this is not how I wanted to play. I wanted to be sneaky and kill my enemies from afar instead of smacking them with a giant sword. So you restart the game with a new character and you try again. This is exactly what a lot of new streamers do. They choose to play something on stream, get bored or don't get any viewers, and switch to a completely new game, new genre, or even a completely new channel. Let's skip those steps and start the right way by asking the 2 most important questions that any new streamer can ask themselves. The first question: what kind of games do you enjoy? For me, I enjoy a lot of different games. Horror, survival, building, RPGs. But what I really enjoy doing is solving puzzles. I enjoy playing games that allow me to use my brain a little. And I just happened to fall upon Phasmophobia, which has great replayability and has been my main game for over 2 years now. So what kind of games do you enjoy? And what game or genre can you see yourself playing for hundreds upon hundreds of hours on stream? Once you've answered that, you can answer the next question. Who are you going to create that content for? Your first instinct may be to say, I want everyone to enjoy my content. But you can't make everyone enjoy your content because not everyone likes the same thing. Just by the game you have chosen, you've already eliminated a lot of people from the everyone. And if you try to please everyone, you become inconsistent, unrelatable, and eventually just end up making content for no one. So let's make this question a little easier to answer. You've already chosen a game or genre you really enjoy, right? And I'm assuming that you are already consuming content in that niche. You're already watching videos or Twitch streams about it. Then the easiest person to make content for is you. You are a target audience, a demographic. There are other people like you out there in the world. And if you like that type of content, then you can be sure there are others just like you out there looking to consume that type of content. And as a massive hidden bonus, it's really hard to get bored making the content that you enjoy. Now you know exactly what you are going to be making, and as long as you stay in that framework, there's a high chance your viewers are going to like it as well. I had to ask myself these questions again a few months ago because I was very, very close to burning out. Not because of the content, but because, as usual, life gets in the way. Over the summer, I had an extra job. Internship as part of my PhD program at the university. I was writing the 300-page book that turned out to be my thesis, working 40 hours per week on my internship, making videos for this channel, and on top of that, streaming 16 hours a week. I can tell you right now, I did not sleep enough in that time. But the worst thing was that it absolutely killed my creativity. I just had no more juice left to give. So I knew I had to change my approach, and this was the biggest change I made that blew my channel up and doubled my viewers. I focused my time and energy on the things that really matter to me and my community, both here and on my Twitch channel, MathmanEU. I made sure that I did my 4 streams a week and focused heavily on producing the best content that I could during that time. For this channel, I focused on making videos and only the videos. I did not think about all the other things that I could be doing. Twitter, Blue Sky, Shorts, other games, and all the other jazz. And that helped me focus my attention on doing the one thing that I knew would help me grow. There are so many platforms that you can stream on, make long form and short form videos for, and even write posts, threads, articles, everything. But you can't do them all. Well, I mean, you could, but you won't become good at any of them. Especially when you start, you need to focus on one or two platforms and really focus on getting good at making content for them. First thing you are going to do is going to pick two platforms. The first one is for streaming, which is going to be Twitch or YouTube. And if you want to stream on Kick, don't. I don't think Kick is going to make it past the next year. The second platform you are going to choose is for your videos or shorts. YouTube or TikTok are the main options here. And that's not an if. You're going to have to pick one of these two. Even if you stream 12 hours a day, you are not going to be live for the other 12. And the moment you stop streaming, no one is going to find your stream anymore. So you are going to have to focus on making content on other platforms and getting those viewers to come to Twitch with you. Doing this will also help you become a better streamer because it forces you to rewatch your VODs to make good content out of it. And here is the biggest lesson I learned for the next year. Up until a few months ago, I hated making short form content. I thought it was boring, lackluster, and mind-numbing. But for the next year, short form is going to be king, especially for new streamers. Let me explain. Short form allows you to make clips of the best bits of your stream and turn them into amazing content for your viewers. And because they are only 1 minute, they usually do not take a long time to make, edit, or post. And that means you get instant results. If you see a short do well, then you can use the same concept for your long form videos, and there is a much higher chance that that video will do well as well. Plus, a good short still has all the components that you need to make an amazing long form video. A hook, content, and call to action. So you learn how to edit your content into good videos as well, meaning making long form content later on is going to be so much easier. Just look at all the people that have become big over the past year. Pirate Software, Queso, Rainbold, and most of their discovery has been with short form content. So I'm going to take my own advice. For the next year, I'm going to produce at least 3 shorts a week for my gaming channel, and I will report back in a few months on how this has accelerated my growth even further. You might even see some shorts come to this channel. Okay, this one is especially for new streamers, but I genuinely believe this is what helped me stand out from all other streamers in my niche. Once you've decided on your channel and the content you want to make, you need to plan your streams. This doesn't mean that you need to know for every single minute what you are going to do or what you're going to say though. I'm not telling you to script it out. You just need to have a plan for a segment of your stream. Something that can stand on its own, such as a challenge that you can complete during your stream. Once you've completed it, you can add some chill gaming at the end for your community once you have started to build one. This doesn't only help you guide your stream to one specific video or short that you want to make that day, it will also help you get more people into your stream because you can make the title of your stream specifically related to that. Just look at the difference. Fortnite, OG, and Ranked. Ranked Gaming, OG Fortnite, Roblox, I'm Sigma, best Sky-based competitive games, the #1 ranked female streamer worldwide. When people can see in your title what you are doing, they are far more likely to join you than when they just see, well, whatever this is. And once you are building that community and more people are willing to hang out with you at the end, that is where you start extending the chill gaming time more and more. It becomes even better when you can involve your community. Let's say you are playing Fortnite. Then how about instead of the usual games, you let your viewers choose the one weapon you are allowed to use during that round. Or maybe you will only do melee kills. You get the idea, right? There's a huge shift in discovery coming in from Twitch's own page as well. And it is this shift that might well be the biggest game changer for Twitch in the next year. Video stories. The video market on Twitch is switching and mobile users are now 35% of all viewership on Twitch, which is the second largest demographic after PC and way ahead of consoles and TV. This year, everyone got access to Twitch Stories, which at first allowed you to upload an image that was available for 24 hours, and after that, they would disappear forever. Except for partners. Partners could make video stories, which were really just places where they could update their community and post clips. But I believe this is going to become a TikTok-like short feed for mobile viewers in the next year, and video stories will be available to everyone. So whenever you make a short, why not put it on the stories as well? I have done this for 2 weeks now, and while my first story was only seen by 4 people, it has absolutely snowballed since then. My second story was seen by 9, my third by 37, and my last one was seen by over 800 people. And the best thing, if you are live while someone watches your story, they will get notified that you are live as well, so you can join in right away. It is extremely hard to get people to move away from TikTok or YouTube and join you on Twitch. But if you don't have to move them to another platform, it is so much easier to get them to join you in the live stream. I'm going to upload every single one of my shorts as a story on Twitch as well, and will update you all on the progress of that experiment in a few months. And as a final tip, when you are looking for that thing that makes you unique, that thing that makes you stand out, it is easy to fall into the trap of quick growth for views and for money. Might feel like the quickest way to get rich and famous, but it always comes at a price. So please, use this platform that you are given for something good. Lift people up, bring a smile to their face, and create something amazing. It doesn't matter if you educate people, entertain them with your humor, inspire them with your creativity, or just make them feel good because you have that magic personality. Do something that brings something good into this world. And as always, stream better, stream smart.